Did you know 1 in every 5 people have high uric acid levels in their blood? A shocking fact, isn't it? Let's dive into this a bit further. Uric acid is a waste product in the blood. When our bodies break down substances known as purines, found in our cells and in certain foods, it creates uric acid. Under normal circumstances, our kidneys do a sterling job of filtering out uric acid, which we then expel from our bodies when we, answer nature's call. However, sometimes the balance can tip. Either our bodies might produce too much uric acid, or our kidneys might not filter out enough. This imbalance can lead to high levels of uric acid in the blood, a condition known as hyperuricemia. Now, why should we be concerned about this? Well, let's look at the science. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology, high uric acid levels can lead to several health issues. These include gout, a form of arthritis causing joint pain and inflammation, kidney stones, and, in severe cases, kidney failure. Furthermore, the American Heart Association has linked high uric acid levels to heart disease. Common causes of high uric acid levels range from genetic predisposition to lifestyle factors, like a diet high in purines. Foods rich in purines include certain types of fish, red meat, and alcohol, particularly beer. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that we can manage and even reduce high uric acid levels. One of the most effective ways? Our diet. Yes, the food we eat can significantly impact our uric acid levels. With such a widespread issue, it's crucial to understand how we can combat high uric acid levels, and food plays a significant role in that. The first food on our list is cherries. Surprised? Here's why. Cherries, particularly tart ones, are packed with an active ingredient known as anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give cherries their vibrant red color. But more than just pigments, anthocyanins have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They work by inhibiting the enzymes that cause inflammation in the body, which in turn helps to reduce uric acid levels. This isn't just hearsay. There's solid science behind it. A study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that consuming cherries led to a significant reduction in uric acid levels among the participants. Another research published in the Arthritis and Rheumatology Journal supports this, stating that cherry intake is associated with a lower risk of gout attacks. So, cherries are not just tasty, they're a powerful tool in our fight against high uric acid. So next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a bowl of cherries. Moving on, our second food group is dairy products. These are a rich source of a type of bacteria known as lactobacilli. This friendly bacteria is more than just a gut health promoter. It plays a vital role in reducing uric acid levels in the body. It achieves this by breaking down purines, the substances that turn into uric acid. A fascinating study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology confirms this. It found that regular consumption of fermented dairy products, such as yogurt and cheese, helps maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. This balance, in turn, aids in the regulation of uric acid levels. However, it's crucial to remember that the type of dairy matters. Opt for low-fat or non-fat versions to avoid other health complications. And, as with everything else, moderation is key. Consuming too much dairy can lead to other health issues. Remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything isn't good. Our third and fourth foods are citrus fruits and berries. Now that's a duo that needs no introduction. Let's start with citrus fruits. These include your morning oranges, your tangy lemons, your zesty limes, and your grapefruits. Not only do these fruits bring a refreshing zing to your palate, but they are also rich in vitamin C. Now, why is vitamin C so important, you may ask? Well, this powerful antioxidant has been found to help flush out excess uric acid from your body. A study published in the Arthritis Care and Research Journal found that a higher intake of vitamin C was associated with lower levels of uric acid in the blood. And who could forget berries? Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. These little powerhouses are also packed with vitamin C, but that's not all. Berries are also rich in anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that have been found to help lower uric acid levels. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that anthocyanins from berries significantly reduced uric acid levels in mice. So, how do you incorporate these fruits into your diet? It's quite straightforward. A glass of freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning, a handful of berries in your oatmeal or yogurt, a slice of lemon in your water, or simply snacking on these fruits can do the trick. But as with everything, moderation is key. Overindulging in these fruits can lead to a high intake of fructose, which can increase uric acid levels. So a balanced intake is crucial, so there you have it. Citrus fruits and berries, two groups of fruits that are not only delicious and refreshing, but also beneficial in maintaining healthy uric acid levels. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a bag of oranges or a punnet of berries. They're not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a treat for your health. Incorporate citrus fruits and berries into your diet for a delicious and beneficial treat. Next on our list, we have whole grains and legumes. These food groups, often overlooked in our diets, are actually powerhouses of nutrients, particularly dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining our health and reducing uric acid levels. Let's start with whole grains. These are the unprocessed grains that retain all parts of the grain, the bran, germ, and endosperm. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are rich in dietary fiber. According to a research study published in the Journal of Nutrition, an increase in dietary fiber intake can help lower uric acid levels. This is because fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and reduces the risk of gout, a painful condition often caused by high uric acid levels. Now let's turn our attention to legumes. These include foods like beans, lentils, and peas. Like whole grains, legumes are also high in dietary fiber. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet rich in legumes can reduce the risk of heart disease, which is often associated with high uric acid levels. The same study also noted that legumes can help control blood sugar levels, a factor that can indirectly influence uric acid levels. In essence, the dietary fiber in both whole grains and legumes works to reduce uric acid by improving digestion and maintaining a healthy weight. It's like a natural cleaning system, flushing out excess uric acid from the body. But the beauty of whole grains and legumes doesn't stop at their health benefits. They are also incredibly versatile. You can include them in any meal of the day, from a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast, a lentil soup for lunch, to a serving of brown rice with dinner. They are easy to cook, widely available, and can be added to a variety of dishes. Both whole grains and legumes are versatile and can be included in any meal of the day. Last but not least, we have celery and apple cider vinegar. Let's begin with celery, a crunchy, low-calorie vegetable often overlooked for its health benefits. It's not just a garnish for your Bloody Mary, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. The active ingredient in celery that aids in reducing uric acid levels is a type of flavonoid known as luteolin. Luteolin is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent that helps to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are both associated with high uric acid levels. This has been backed by a study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, which found that luteolin has potential therapeutic effects on gout, a condition caused by high uric acid levels. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to add celery to your cart. Now let's move on to apple cider vinegar. This pantry staple is more than just a salad dressing. It's been used as a home remedy for various health issues for centuries. The active ingredient in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid. Acetic acid helps to alkalize the body, making it harder for uric acid to crystallize and cause problems. A research study published in the Bioscience, Biotechnology and Biochemistry journal stated that acetic acid could help lower uric acid levels in the body. In the study, participants who consumed apple cider vinegar showed a significant decrease in uric acid levels compared to those who didn't. However, it's important to note that apple cider vinegar is very acidic, and consuming it in large amounts or undiluted can lead to stomach upset and other issues. It's generally recommended to dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water and consume it before meals. Celery and apple cider vinegar may not be the typical foods you reach for, but their active ingredients, luteolin and acetic acid, are scientifically proven to help reduce uric acid levels. These may not be your typical foods, but they pack a punch when it comes to reducing uric acid. We've discussed 8 foods that can help reduce high uric acid levels. Let's revisit these nutritional powerhouses and their key components. Cherries, packed with anthocyanins, are known to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce uric acid levels. Dairy products, particularly low-fat options like yogurt and milk, are abundant in uric acid, which promotes the removal of uric acid through urine. We also touched on the benefits of citrus fruits and berries. The high vitamin C content in these fruits can lower serum uric acid levels, not to mention they're delicious and refreshing. On the other hand, whole grains and legumes rich in dietary fiber aid in the elimination of uric acid from your body. They also keep you feeling full, so they're great for those watching their weight. Last but not least, we've looked at celery and apple cider vinegar. Celery, containing a unique type of photochemical called 3N-butylphthalide, helps in reducing uric acid, while apple cider vinegar, with its acetic acid component, can improve your body's natural pH balance, assisting in the removal of uric acid. But remember, while these foods are beneficial, they're not a magic potion. It's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and lifestyle. Regular exercise, adequate hydration and moderation in consumption of high-purine foods like seafood, meat and alcohol are equally important in managing uric acid levels. Moreover, each individual's body reacts differently to different foods. What works for one may not work for another. Therefore, it's always beneficial to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to understand what works best for you. So there you have it, 8 foods to help you keep uric acid levels in check. But don't forget, these are just pieces of the larger puzzle of maintaining overall health. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive lifestyle are the keys to a healthier you. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make wise choices and live a healthy life.